Certainly. Today I present a detailed review of the Cable Matters 100-pack Cat6 Pass-Through RJ45 connectors. These connectors are designed to simplify the process of creating custom Ethernet cables, compatible with both solid and stranded unshielded twisted pair UTP cables. With a pass-through design, the preparation phase becomes straightforward as users can ensure accurate wiring order before crimping. This feature minimizes waste and potential wiring errors. Constructed with quality materials, these connectors promise reliable data transmission and network performance. The pack includes 100 connectors, making it suitable for various setups, from small home projects to large-scale installations. Overall, the Cable Matters connectors deliver efficiency and functionality, catering to both novice users and experienced professionals. Ideal for anyone aiming to manage their own network setup accurately and reliably. Thank you.